Welcome to Cases TV Plus Force, home of live content. Right, are you a Ghanaian or you are in Ghana and you want to create a PayPal account? This is a quick tutorial for you. Cases TV Plus. I feel no abana what journey now. What my subscribe channel. This is not our usual content. I created a football, yes, local football and but for a while the viewers and so about me DM requesting for a PayPal account in Ghana. Many videos so and for more on one team so and create PayPal account in Ghana and quickly men say let's start. Yes, the tutorials. Firstly, no, you choose any browser you wish. May for Google, then open Google like this. Simple. Okay, this is my Google. I have seen Google, and in Google. PayPal.com. PayPal.com. Okay. So after opening sometimes ubenya display ni say sometimes ubenya different display. When you different display, just search for sign up and login and answer sign up. Yes, do ubenya be so more correct. Then now what you see sign up. Now what you see sign up. Yes, sign up. Now if you want sign up so only what Ghana ha na Ghana PayPal accept guarantee preferably make you business account and never wow ubenya invoice ubenya name bebre no so wow so choose business then continue. Okay, firstly this sign o country yes change your country so what they no enda ase check it o country no bi also e wa ase pa bi also wa go hu no ase opa enti se o de no enda ase ho no ma na de obechima ya no se o de obekwa akwhwehwe o IP service no o IP address no na onso watimi a change country no to United Arab Emirates. Okay, so countries in those enti obekwa Asia, yes, now I could choose United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. So we are Ghana and now PayPal, yes. United Arab Emirates. And I'm choosing. Yes, at all saying that you proceed for the sign up. Now I will sign up, so then you go to the business account. Now our business account and also say yes. So on my mouth, capture so on. See your mouth capture. Wait me about capture and also say. Yes, I will say select all images with bridges. So this is a bridge. This is a bridge. And I think this is a bridge. Oh, David. Take a picture and hold that. I think where is the bridge again? Okay, maybe that's all. Oh, they say that you select all. Is there any bridge again? Apart from what I've selected. Okay, I think this is a bridge. Yes, I'm correct. So after getting the capture correct, I will proceed into this display and see. So after here, Gmail now person will create PayPal account and na obey you soon. So I say yes with www dot me my account me Gmail account and I'm a bash on so board the head show Jedul Mundal 471 yes .com so www.jedulmundal.com say wow, what is the problem? jedulmundal.com. Okay, let me go straight. Jedul Okay. Jedulmundal47@gmail.com. So let us proceed. Then no about password. Password we know. Password as say over be PayPal account no bia na. We na be password e hu hie ye pa ma you mfim srew. Say over be PayPal account na password we na obebo answer what ma be nti ma you mfim pe kra hwe to na save note. Serial you so I'll go for caches. Yes, at 1. Na my open up here say the boy na no yes, caches at 1. Then continue. So business contact, my first name. Okay, I'll go for Adama Abdul. Then the legal last name no Kasiru. Okay. Then business name no, so I'll go for Kasiru. Oh, okay, let me take caches. Okay. Na o number no. Afe business phone number chira mo say wo no masa. We ogoro. Wo Ghana but wo bie company no wo ye Ghana ni but wo bie company no wo UAE hono. So mate ase. Nti wo chen so wo ye Ghana ni bra. Be sure so wo ye Ghana ni but wo nya sika bie company wo UAE hono. Na wo PayPal account e dey. I said o ko jo visa so wani chira mo nti me ko. Na ma ko to si Ghana say me Ghana ni na mabie PayPal account. Yes. Mabie business o UAE na masa gumisi me Ghana ni na mabie PayPal account. Mabie company o UAE. Business o UAE na me PayPal account there transactions. So Ghana. Yes. My mobile number 55400940. So this is my number. Because me Ghana ni my telephone number so ni business address no. With my PO box number bia ope. I'll go for 44. Na additional information you can choose to leave it. City no crowd watch us o Kumasi na ede. O Shenade. Emirates no nko mfa Emirates no. Chira mo say o Abu Dhabi ho na business no. Dollars in the US dollars. And now we bet me start changing to any currency open. But I'll go for the US dollars. Now I click it. Oh yes. What if this one? Now I shall say yes. Then agree and continue. So business type no. Now watch am say individual, individual now say sole proprietorship. Until the bravo be shy keke. I will go for electrical pass. Electrical yes. Appliances and repair shop. Okay. Okay, let me choose this. Now website you say optional. Who will be able to can only use one then. Now I leave no at also. So date of birth. Ma omo de wo ID so. Ma omo de wo ID na so. The date of birth no. I'll go for 11. Okay, no, I'm selecting months. Now I'm selecting year. Okay, now nationality no. What shall I say? Oh, you're Ghana ni. What shall I say? Oh, you're Ghana ni. Identification card no. You can choose national ID. See national ID no. Alright, so this is my Ghana card. No, about ID no so Eddie Asho. This is the ID. Umbo dot IB Asho umbo. Confidential nti me blame me ID no nti bo de na Asho but me de no. Me blame no confidential nti na wi ase e hu. ebia na nyam nkwa na mo hwe video no be kwa akyire ma bi fifro so akɔhwe na ma ho create confusion so e de ama me ho enti na de no abo wide na hyem say home address bia wa calculate am no abo submit. So after proceeding on submitting national ID already existed bia or hono and no we creative people account so message no link na wa link no na akọ be link so media na they send me no enti me akọ be able say yes na we need some information from you now about log into PayPal now about so okay account impact PayPal pay using PayPal today okay afeni ya creativity yenyi na nso so photo ID document type national identification card. So you go for a card like this. So make sure me didn't see we check. Yes, now the amount now I submitting correctly. Your information has been submitted. Go to account limitations. So boom, you are almost there. So for now, creating PayPal no so congratulations. PayPal balance near 00. Insight no money in total receive. Unye mfanya transaction biya mono afi na makreti. Yes, mono afi na makreti. And to be answer ya mono invoice which may be because a business one. Yes, which means so. Yes, a business one. Which means so yes, check our PayPal PayPal setup check up. Yes, and also which means a connect bank account card. Or bank card and a bank account na kasenti. And also be part 2. Video no ya one and also be part 2. Yes, part 2 link my confirm debit or credit card, confirm email. So you know I say and here another be part 2. And yes, same way here part 2 na manhu na comment section ase. Na be answer to me come have a good day. Hope say tutorial so yeah best and say cheap and be mind concisely. Now what means why I enjoy na be answered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please.